In the early morning hours of July 25th, 2024, at 1:06 a.m. in DuPage County, Illinois, an Axon Body 3 camera captured the moment Officer Martino approached a vehicle parked in a handicapped spot. The man inside, identified as Mitchell, was reported to be asleep in the vehicle. What seemed like a simple check was about to take an unexpected turn.
Go on the window, man. All field of the suspicious vehicle in Tennessee. How you doing, sir? I'm Officer Martino with the Neighborhood Police Department. You got your driver's license and insurance on you? I'll be at the Tennessee beat 1. What's that, sir? I'm good, sir. Are you okay?
Yes, sir.
All right, do you have your driver's license and insurance on you? Can I see it? The reason I got called because I got you sitting in a handicapped parking spot. Can I see your driver's license, sir?
Yeah.
I can't see. Do me a favor, just roll this down, so. All right, sir. What?
Pull my pants off.
What do you got on you?
I got nothing.
What's your first name?
My name is Mitchell.
Mitchell what?
Yeah. I'm not. Get off the car.
You got nothing else on your pants right now? No guns are in the car?
No, sir.
All right. Go ahead and pull your pants up.
What's going on?
I got called in for this, and then there's a subject passed out in the vehicle.
What's weird?
You weren't sleeping?
Pull my pants.
Go ahead. Do me a favor. When you're ready, go ahead and take a step out for me.
So what?
Take a step out for me. Leave the car. Just hit unlock. No. Don't roll it up. Hit unlock.
Hit unlock what?
To come out of the vehicle.
What's the deal?
I'm trying to have you step out of the car. I'm not telling you to turn anything off. I'm having you step out. That's why. Where's the unlock button? Because apparently you can't. Whoa.
When asked to step out of the car, Mitchell appeared confused and suddenly started driving, ramming the patrol car. The officer yelled, "He just hit my car!" and a chase began in the darkness. In the next few seconds, the whole incident turned into a tense road rage.
Yeah, he's fleeing. He just hit my car. Get out of the car! He's fleeing. Got him. I got cuffs too, right here.
553-7 just shot at me trying to kill me, man.
You got him? Here, two pair. Got him. Woo! My boy. 627 County.
Like you've been in a crash. Will trigger emergency SOS if you have
Everybody clear that car? Somebody's over there now.
Anybody else in that car? No? Hey, let's get him up. Let's search him.
After being subdued, Mitchell repeatedly yelled, "They tried to kill me, man," and claimed he had been shot, even though he had just run away unharmed. The officers called for medical assistance, with one saying, "You ran into a squad car. You're in DuPage County, not Cook," emphasizing the seriousness of the act.
Hey, dispatch, we're at the police. You can clear Isford.
Hey, police, we got him. I have no idea where we're at.
We're in
Broadview. Okay.
Other side, other side.
Oh my.
Sorry, buddy.
How you good? Alright, let's get him up. On your feet. Ready? Ready to get up? Good? 1, 2, 3.
There you go.
Let's watch that. We taking them and you got yours? Alright. You okay? Which one?
You want to take a seat on the car?
You want to take a seat?
Alright, let's get you on
Can
the
you
car.
walk at all? You want to see medics?
Squad, man. It's not a squad.
Can you walk at all?
You were running like 2 seconds ago.
Okay. Can you come over here? Can you walk at all, man?
I've been shot.
Just running, man.
Come on.
I know.
Get
A
up.
couple steps over the curb.
Just a little bit.
Right?
Boy, you're running like a track star. Come on.
My leg, my leg, this
You
leg.
ain't going to the hospital. That's so much, bro.
I know.
You're DuPage, man. That's not how it works. Let's go.
Let's go.
My leg.
You're good. You're perfectly fine.
My
There's like
leg.
30 cops on you.
I've been shot, big bro.
By who?
Shot where?
I've been shot
Can we get
6
medics out here? Somebody call medics?
Yeah, here.
Well, someone who's...
Does anybody have radio signal that can call this guy an ambo?
Yeah, can we get an ambo? Anyone that's got signal? What town are we in?
Broad,
Broad, okay.
Huh. Learning things every day, right?
Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm good. No.
Who is popping tires?
Oh, that's awesome. It's like Hinsdale, Oak Brook.
Yeah.
Yeah. People think
Dead
that
end?
this is 95th,
And then they get...
real.
Yeah.
Well,
Nice.
there's that.
That is 8, bro.
So then,
Can I sit back for 1 second?
What's it?
Can I just...
lay down.
Can we put you on the curb over here? We have a little bit of an angle. Is that okay? You're not on your
Stretch
back?
it out. This.
I mean, you're fully extended,
Shot
man.
6 times, so he's got some residual injury here. Alright, don't be reaching around though. If you're gonna lay down, lay down. If you're gonna sit up, sit up. Pick one. Alright?
Hey. Damn.
I felt hard.
Today?
Yeah, you did.
Just right now.
I thought I saw something. Was that you that fell? I thought it was Martino.
You're alright, buddy. Deny.
It was Papa was.
See, now if it was me, everybody would have known. The bun gives me away a little. Or you guys can get away with that. No, it wasn't me. I didn't do that.
As soon as he said do a pin, I was already out of my car. I was like,
By the time he said pin, there were like 30 cars on it. I was like, there's no way I'm squeezing in there. So whatever we got is good enough.
yeah.
Maybe wrecking more squads. We can do that now if you want.
Yeah, whatever's easier.
Yeah, it's all good.
What's that now?
Alright, I'm gonna have you sit up
Whatever's
straight.
convenient.
I'm gonna take the cuffs off real quick
Oh,
so that I can switch them out with my partner here, okay? So
I got mine on
sit
there
up
right
this-
now.
yeah.
I got one of mine's.
Okay. Yeah, you take yours off, I'll put mine on.
Here, give me yours first.
You know, those will be mine still right there.
Yeah.
Good. Give me a sec.
Excuse me, could you please
What's up, man?
twist this arm?
This one? Yeah, it ain't sit right. Hold on. Let me see what I can do for you. Alright, just hold up his back a little bit for me.
Yeah, it's like twisted the other way.
Alright, I'm gonna have you just pick your hand up real quick. This way I can change it up for you. Yep, hang on. Yep, turn your wrist. Come a little bit in with your knuckles. Yep,
Said he
right
got
over here.
You get shot recently? You ran one of our cars.
Yeah,
Yeah,
man.
that's why we're chasing you, bro.
Listen, we don't come out like this for nothing. Yeah, we don't show out like this for nothing, man. You ran the squad car with your car.
We ain't playing that shit. Oh yeah. You're in DuPage County. This ain't Cook. Remember that.
Where you live at? You got ID? Is it in the car? I don't think the car. Alright. Look at it, okay? So hang in there.
What's up, bro?
We got an ambulance coming for you, buddy.
Let me come check you out, alright?
Hang in
You think
there.
it's broke?
Deep breaths. Well, that's my knee. I'm trying to hold you up, buddy.
Oh, that's good.
I still want you laying on your back. It doesn't look good.
Well, it's not going to be comfortable with them handcuffs either like that, so.
Alright, we got the medics here. Check you out, alright? Come on. What's the closest hospital?
Whenever you're ready, buddy, you just start up.
Can you at least walk over there?
We're gonna go over there. That was we don't have a chair.
The incident was quickly escalated from a parking violation to a serious criminal offense, including fleeing, resisting arrest, and damaging public property. It all happened in a matter of minutes, proving how an impulsive act can completely change the course of a quiet night in DuPage County.